Hey, do you want to learn how video games create flexible character creator systems? If so, you're in the right place. I've made a brand new course which will teach you everything you need to know about creating a dynamic character creator system in Unreal Engine. In the course, we'll cover a bunch of different things. You can find a link to it in the description of this video. Here are some of them. We'll go over how we can use morph targets. These basically allow us to modify how certain vertices look on our character's mesh, and we'll also go over how we can use multiple morph targets at the same time so we can make unique looking characters. We'll also go over how we can design a nice looking character creator screen with some nice sliders, which we'll basically use to customize and design our character. We will cover how we can efficiently save and load all of the different characters that we create in our character creator system, so the players can be able to save all of the different characters that they create, and then they'll be able to store them, and then if say they want to load up a previous character that they have made, they'll easily be able to do that and then play the game as that character. We'll cover how to make a random character generator system. So because we have all of these different ways that we can customize the character, I also made a system so that we can basically press a button and then it will randomly generate a character for us using all of the different parameters in our character creator system. So this can lead to some freaky results, but you can fully control how crazy you want the random generator to be, and much more. The main aim for this course is that once you've taken it, you should have the knowledge needed to create your own custom character creator system if say you wanted to do that with another character. Whether you're completely new to Unreal Engine or you're just looking to enhance your skills, this course is your gateway into mastering the art of character creation. Make sure to enroll now by clicking on the link in the description of this video, and I'll see you inside. Bye!